Hello, boys and girls. We're going to take a look at our LEQ for writing for this week. So I'll read it first, and then we're going to practice reading it together and discussing some of the vocabulary words. So I have my finger under the words, and here I go. It says, how can we use our writing to persuade someone? So remember, when we were talking about the author's purpose, we did persuade. You could even see it over here, persuade. And we said it means you're trying to make them do something. We also said it could be trying to make them believe something. So our example was with the book The Lorax, and how the Lorax was trying to make everybody care about the trees and the environment. He wanted you to believe that those things were important. So here's what I did on here. Our word writing, I included our pencil and our writing paper because remember, we're not just talking about this or drawing pictures. I need to see some writing. And then for persuade, I drew our trees so we would think of the Lorax. And then over here I said, change their mind, and drew a picture of somebody thinking like, maybe you are gonna change my mind. And then I also said, make them believe something. And I drew a picture of a dog and a cat because last time when you guys were writing with me, you were all trying to persuade me whether dogs or cats were better. So I thought that would kind of help us remember the word persuade. So let's listen to it again and then we'll read it together. How can we use our writing to persuade someone? Okay, this time read it with me. Ready? How can we use our writing to persuade someone? Nice job, boys and girls, and I look forward to hearing your persuasive writing this week.